Understanding at this moment in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, at this moment. This phrase is often used in everyday conversations, and understanding it can really enhance your English skills. So, let's dive in and learn about its meaning, usage, and some examples. At this moment is a phrase used to refer to the current point in time. It emphasizes that something is happening now or is relevant to the present situation. This phrase is similar to right now or currently. Let's see how at this moment is used in different contexts. 1. Describing current actions. I am watching a movie at this moment. 2. Expressing present feelings. At this moment, I feel very happy. 3. Referring to current situations. He is not available at this moment. Each example shows how the phrase highlights the present time in various scenarios. While using at this moment, avoid these common errors. 1. Don't confuse with past or future tenses. It's incorrect to say, I was eating at this moment yesterday. 2. Avoid redundancy. Don't say, at this moment right now, as both phrases mean the same thing. The phrase can be slightly altered for different nuances. 1. At the moment, more informal, used in casual conversations. 2. At this very moment, adds emphasis on the immediacy. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the phrase, at this moment. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using this phrase in your daily conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.